Hello everyone and welcome back to Lady Fire's Kitchen. And today I have a special guest, the mighty lentil. Can you see it? This little baby, they are so amazing. Lots of protein, super healthy and great for you. Look them up and you'll see how wonderful and beneficial this is for your health. But just because it's healthy doesn't mean that it's not super tasty. So without further ado, let's do this. First of all, we are going to put 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Mine is smooth. I don't like it too powerful. Let it heat up just a little bit. I have been preheating my thing already, my stove already. I'm going to add, there's a little twist. I'm going to add a little bit, or like 2 ounces of pancetta, just because I want to have that little bit of meaty flavor there somewhere. Let's just fry that for just a minute. But as you can see, if my cameraman looks around, you can see all these beautiful colors. I mean, fire roasted tomatoes. They have, I don't remember, I think this is collard greens, celery, carrots, onions. I mean, it has a lot of good stuff for you. So let's just increase the heat so we can do this faster. And once this is cooked a little bit, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, so now I'm going to lower the temperature just a little bit. I just wanted it to be a little bit faster at cooking. This is kale. And I think I said it was something else. It's actually kale. And my camera editor man is going to, yep, I need to go with that. Is going to tell you the measurements, how much of this and how much of that. I'm just going to do the work. Oh, I love that kale. Beautiful. Let's add the onions. And the carrots. Celery. I'm going to add to this 2 bay leaves. All right, we're going to have a little bit of pepper, not too much. And we're just gonna mix for approximately 8 minutes or so. Those 8 minutes are going, we are going to add 2 more ingredients here. I am going to add some cumin and some kosher salt, and we mix. So the 8 minutes went by already, so we're going to add some other ingredients. We're going to add 2 heaping teaspoons of garlic, freshly ground. Put them in there. All right, we're going to add our fire roasted tomatoes. We're going to add our lentils. I wish you could smell it, but that cumin has given it a great fragrance. All right. so I'm going to put it pretty on top. Thyme. And we're going to add our broth. What we're using right here is vegetable broth. I'm not using chicken or any other kind. I'm using 100% just vegetables. And trust me, I love vegetable broth. It is really tasty. And it's 6 cups, so I've just put just now 4. I'm gonna add 2 more. And we'll be right back. All right, so we have all of the ingredients, so the majority of the ingredients in. We're going to let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the lentils are tender. See you soon. So there you have it, folks. It's a wonderful recipe, flat cap approved. We added just a little bit of red flakes chili pepper, just a teeny tiny bit. But if you like spicy, you can add more if you would like. And I already tasted it. It's great. It's delicious. We will see you next time with another awesome recipe. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you like the content, give me thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.